Dr. Trevor Lascelles Anthony Dixon for contribution to healthcare and education through the Jamaicans Abroad Helping Jamaicans at Home Foundation, the JAHJAH Foundation.
Dr. Dixon is a visionary leader, humanitarian and philanthropist whose unwavering commitment to healthcare, education and community welfare has transformed the lives of countless Jamaicans. He founded the Jamaica Handheld Ultrasound Project, providing portable ultrasound devices and training to public hospitals to improve diagnostic care.
That's it. Yes, that's right to remember. All I saw it.
Hi.
Hi, how is everything?
Everything's good.
You doing fine?
Came out to support.
Huh?
Came out to support. Who are you?
Dr. Trevor Dixon.
From which organization?
JAHJAH.
How did you feel when you saw him going across the podium?
A sense of pride just engulfed me, you know? Pride, Jamaican pride.
Well, you have been a very loyal supporter of the JAHJAH Foundation. Thank you for your support and keep up the great work, right?
Yeah, always.
Thank you.
Yeah. My name is Karen Dunkley.
Dr. Donkey, who are you here supporting today?
I am here supporting the indomitable, illustrious, the man who is a man of action, integrity, excellence, the most honorable Dr. Trevor Dixon, JAHJAH Foundation to the world.
Right now, when you saw Dr. Dixon going across the podium, how did it make you feel?
I was excited. I was thrilled. My heart is full. Dr. Dixon and the entire JAHJAH Foundation team, they have been transformational in healthcare in Jamaica, in advancing health equity, access to healthcare, and also access to quality. My heart is full today. Congratulations, Dr. Dixon. Well deserved.
I would be remiss if I didn't pay attention to your honor on your outfit here. What is that honor? Tell us about it.
This honor, Order of Distinction in the class of officer, was awarded to me last year for excellence in diaspora service and education. I share this honor with all members of the Jamaican diaspora in the United States and across the world as we continue to support and uplift and advance Jamaica, land we love.
Boom Island, Jamaica. Thank you.
Thank you.
I'm Karen Shields, Jamaica liaison for the JAHJAH Foundation.
So you're here today supporting the JAHJAH Foundation after this time receiving the award.
Oh yes, indeed. Yes, it's a proud moment. It's a proud moment.
How did you feel when you saw him going across the podium?
Believe me, my heart was just yes, I was very elated, very happy. I can't tell you how I felt.
A win for JAHJAH is a win for you.
Of course. Thank you so much. Congrats, Dr. Dixon.
Claudette Powell, registered nurse from the Jamaica Nurses Group of New York, and a volunteer with JAHJAH Foundation. I also chair the Jamaica Diaspora Health Sector.
So you're here today supporting the JAHJAH Foundation?
Yes, I'm here to support our leader, Dr. Trevor Dixon, who is my brother. I don't know about son, but could be. But I'm so happy, I'm so pleased to follow him from the start of JAHJAH Foundation and to see that he's being honored here today by the government.
How did it make you feel when you saw him going across the podium?
I'm telling you, I felt like when my son graduated from college and walked across to get his diploma.
Thank you for your continued support. Keep up the great work yourself.
Yes, you're welcome.
Hi, my name is JAHJAH Anderson.
So you're a supporter of the JAHJAH Foundation?
Yes, I've been a long-time supporter of the JAHJAH Foundation.
How did it make you feel when you saw that across the podium?
You know, it was a wonderful feeling. It was something that was well-deserved. Dr. Dixon has done so much for Jamaica, and it was truly an honor to see him walk across that stage and receive that award.
Thank you so much for your continued support.
Absolutely, and I will continue to support the JAHJAH Foundation. Blessings.
My name is Lorraine Muir, diasporan for New York. I want to congratulate all honorees, but particularly for today, we're honoring one of our finest in New York, the JAHJAH organization that's been supporting for health and well-being of Jamaicans.
Thank you for coming out. Thank you.
Thank you.